naman, tinumog muli ang MOA Arena para sa repeat ng foursome concert ni na Martin, Pops, Augie at Regine. Napuno muli ang MOA Arena kabilang ng ilang celebrities. Naispatampa namin si JR na may kasamang non-showbiz beauty sa audience. Ang foursome naging fivesome dahil sa special guest na si Mr. Pure Energy, Gary V. At sa pambihirang pagkakataon, naging sixsome matapos imbitahin ng 5 mula sa audience si Divine Diva, Sasha Padilla. Yun tuloy ang naging usap-usapan after the successful concert.
We only thought of it then. I'm sure maraming producers ngayon na nakikita yung concept na foursome na pwede gawin fivesome, pwede gawin ng sixsome.
Tingnan natin, bakit hindi, di ba? That would be fantastic, I think.
Hindi ko alam kung biro yun, but kung matuloy man yun, that would be great.
Sixsome na. Sana, hopefully. Thank you very much to everybody who watched the repeat. Thank you for your support and thank you to everybody na very loyal these days watching OPM concerts. So, sana po ipagpatuloy po natin. Marami pang magko-concert. My husband will be celebrating his 25 years in the business. Martin will be celebrating his 30th. And so is Gary. So, abangan niyo yung mga concerts na yan. Madami pa. So, sana panoorin mo lahat.